Hi, I'm William Beard, and I'm a product specialist here at RockTech International. Today we're going to show you one of our more popular features called Alternate Plan, and how you can use it to make your takeoffs even quicker. It's a feature that lets you use multiple pages, like your erosion, grading, and utility plan, let's say, and keep your takeoff all in the same file, keep everything in the same report, and everything in the same spot. And the way that we do that is we use two reference points, or what we call locator points, to overlay your takeoff lines onto an alternate page. And we can do that no matter if the two plans have different scale or are at a different orientation. And we're able to do that because of these two locator points. So I'm going to go ahead and demo to you how you can go about doing this. As you can see here, I have an existing plan, and I've input my existing lines. And so I'm done with page 1 of this multi-page set, and I'm ready to move on to page 3 because that's my grading sheet. I want to put in my other information, like my asphalt area or proposed lines, etc. So the way that I can move on to that is by going to Tools and Locate Alternate Plan. Once I click on that, well, we can either choose to go to an on-screen plan, which is what we're doing, or we can actually overlay and use a digitizer. We're going to go on-screen though, and then say Proceed. So I'm going to use these two reference points. One, this top right corner of the property line, to the bottom left corner of the property line. Now we're going to tell the software this is a page of this PDF. I'm going to say OK. Then click on page 3. Once page 3 is loaded up, I can then zoom in, move it around, rotate it if I need to. Fortunately, it's already in the correct orientation, so I can just quickly put in my first point and then put in my second point down here. And what we'll have is our existing lines laid on top of this grading page. And as you can see, these existing lines came over really well. If there are any distance off, I can always come back and adjust them if I want to really fine-tune it. But I'm pretty happy with what we have here. And so now I could go about inputting my proposed lines and my pad, my parking lot, which I've already done. So I'm going to I'm going to turn on my proposed lines. I'm going to go ahead and turn on everything. And as you can see, everything is all on the same spot, right where it needs to be. So now when I want to go and generate any quantities that I have, I can have it all in one report rather than split up across multiple reports. Last but not least, if every time I open this takeoff now, I want to see the grading plan behind it, we've got a nice feature located under Tools, and that is Make Current Drawing Primary. So we're going to go ahead and glue these takeoff lines onto this grading sheet. And the software is just letting us know that we may want to go ahead and reset our scale just for accuracy. To discover more about WinX Master, click the next video button or talk to one of our specialists today at the number below and see how you can start winning more bids with RockTech.